All right, we're gonna go for a ride here in a pretty cool old classic. I guess it's a classic already, 1986. Yeah, it is. Toyota pickup truck. So 86 Toyota, 4-wheel drive, single cab. And it's got a nice little shell on the back. Put your camping gear back there, fishing gear, whatever. Lock it up. It's got the 2200R 4-cylinder engine in it. Great little engines. I mean, they had them all these years, these Toyotas, and they're just really durable and bulletproof. This one has, I got a receipt for rebuilt engine sometime back, but I have a stack of receipts for it actually. Previous owner did a lot of nice stuff to it. He had it painted the original color. It's like a Toyota Creme color. Put a nice kicking stereo in it. It's got a little amp under the seat. It's got air conditioning, blows ice cold. You put a little Momo steering wheel on there. Also put some Pro Comp steel wheels on it with some of those BFG KO2 radials on there, little all-terrains. But really nice little truck, you know? Some of these things were beat on, used as work trucks and all that sort of stuff, and you know, Toyotas, so they keep running and running and running, so you can keep driving them. So people used them. But this one's kind of like, I would say, a mini restoration done to it. Yeah, it shifts real nice, synchros are good, clutch is good. It's got a Weber carb conversion on it. Like I said in my ad, if you live here in California, you might have to put the stock stuff back on. We have it all. We have the original air cleaner and all that, but it runs a little better with this stuff. So if you're out of state, probably not an issue at all. If you're in California, you might have to put that stuff back on. All right, we're gonna go up here and take some more pictures and video for you. All right, we're gonna take a little walk around here in this nice little 1986 Toyota 4x4 pickup. These are really cool, little single cab, 4-wheel drive, take up in the mountains or out by the beach house or whatever. Got the 15-inch Pro Comp wheels on there. Recent paint job, nice paint actually. Nobody usually spends the money to do a decent paint job on these older trucks, but this one looks pretty good. All new decals on it, nice and straight, rust-free, California truck. Still got those blue license plates, the original ones from 1986. Got a nice color match shell on there. Put your stuff back in there. Of course, the 4-wheel drive mud flaps. But it has a 2200R 4-cylinder carbureted engine. It's got a Weber update kit, like I mentioned earlier. Got tinted windows, little tow hook there. Works good, 4-wheel drive works good. Locking hubs. I'll show you inside. Nice comfortable cloth interior. You can put 3 people in there in a pinch. But it's got a nice stereo, actually sounds real good. It's got a little amp and subwoofer under the seat. Also has the updated little LED lights up in the bumper. It's kind of hidden in there, but a little bright light. You got the Momo steering wheel, 5-speed transmission, shifts good. Doesn't have any power steering. Got to muscle it a little bit with those big tires, but not bad at all. Pretty cool little truck for a toy. You drive every day if you want, or use it on the weekends. Your choice. Here's the power plant in the little 86 Toyota pickup. There it is, a little 2200R 4-cylinder. These were really good little motors. Like I said in my ad and everything, this one has a couple upgrades to it that probably aren't going to fly in California. I think I have the original stuff for it in boxes. Like it's got a Weber conversion carburetor, which is just carbureted anyway from when it was new. And it's got a header on there. But it's got power brakes and cold air conditioning, and it's 134 Freon. It's been converted. Pretty neat little truck. It's also got a little brand new battery in there, aluminum radiator. Go ahead and fire this one up for you. Even got the little buzzard key works. Yeah, it runs good. Nice and cool, reliable, just like a Toyota should be. Neat looking little truck. Well, if you want to come out to California Cars, see this one in person, we're at 2158 Union Place in the city of Simi Valley, California. Phone number is 818-591-1313. I'd be happy to show you the truck in person, and we can also arrange shipping. You get a little financing if you need. There's some loan companies that do classic vehicles. You know, we'll even take a trade if we have to. All right, thanks for watching.